whatever you're doing, you're going to be using water. People use it for manufacturing and for drinking, for food preparation, for cleaning. But all those different uses have different requirements for what kind of water you're using. Whether it's the temperature or the pH level or the minerals or being concerned about what contaminants are in the water. You don't know unless you measure it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to collect some samples. We'll take them back to the lab. We'll find out what kind of water we have in the lake. All right, out here in the lake, we're ready to take our samples. We're going to collect samples from the top of the water, near the bottom of the lake, and the middle. The reason we do that is we want to get a really comprehensive idea of what's in the waters. If we just take water from the top or just from the bottom, we might not get a full picture of what's going on in this lake. Some of these tests we can do right here in the boat with our dissolved oxygen and our pH meter. They're going to tell us a lot about the water quality as far as the fish and the birds and even the snails and microbes that live here. They all use oxygen, and how much oxygen is in the water gives us a good idea if those animals are healthy or if they're struggling. But some tests, like heavy metals, lead, we have to do with specialized equipment. So let's get these samples back to the lab and run that. Our laboratory people are really great at talking to you about your uses and figuring out exactly how they can help you solve those problems, what questions to ask, and what tests to run. And I'm happy to say that our lake is healthy for ducks and all the wildlife that lives there. Everything's below limits. The mercury, chlorine, total suspended solids, you remember our DO and pH readings? They're normal. I feel better. It's important to know for sure that the water you're using is appropriate for the use. And if you have any other questions about different water uses, come to the lab and talk to us. My name's Ray. Thanks for coming with me.